Hey, what's going on, guys? Barry here with Epic Cycles. In today's video, I will be unboxing and giving a complete overview of KingSong's most anticipated EUC to date, the KingSong F18. Idle speed 120 plus kilometers per hour, mileage 150, divide that by 2 for real world. Weight is 41 kilograms. Gradability is 45 degrees. Rated power 5,000 watts. Max power 12,000 watts. Without further ado, let's unbox this baby. Looks like we've got a cable here. This is the power cable for the charger. And we have our electric unicycle original user manual. And over here we have our charger. Wow, it's a massive charger actually. All right, so the EUC is obviously protected very well, fully encased in foam on both sides. And then we got a poly bag. Grab it by its handles. All right. Once we remove the EUC from the box, inside you will still find some more stuff, which is power pads. Power pads are included, and as well as an air shock pump too, that they usually come with. All right, so once you pull the EUC out of the box, you're gonna see that it was lying down on top of some more parts. Well, we got here power pads, which are nice, they're included. Probably you're going to want to upgrade to your own, but it's nice to always have it right out of the box, of course. And also air pump for your suspension. Typically most EUCs will now come with an air pump, so this one's included as well. So first impressions, I like the way it looks. I like the way the sleekness of it. It's nice. It's kind of reminds me of their F22, but a little bit maybe slimmer a little bit. It's still big. It's a really big wheel, 20-inch tire, big frame. It's got actually if you look at the top, they got four suspensions here, so that's pretty crazy. That's kind of revolutionary. I don't think they've done that before. And I'm told that there's also a quick disconnect, so the motor comes right off with the whole wheel, so very easy to do tire changes, not as complicated. A lot of the parts actually are like that on this EUC. They come apart, so maintenance becomes a lot easier. We got some nice headlights over here with different modes. I'll turn it on shortly, and as well as some more lights here. I believe each light is 5 watts. These ones are adjustable, so you can aim the lights either straight or down if you want. Full fenders on the front and rear. They also have their Bluetooth speakers on the rear, so really good quality speakers. I mean, similar to the F22, which I tried, which was awesome, and it has the lights dancing as well to the beat of the sound, so that's really good. If you guys high performance guys, you may not like the Bluetooth speakers because, you know, extra weight, although it's not much weight, it's like 1-2 pounds, but you know, every pound I guess could make a difference if you're racing. Either way, there's a couple screws here, and you can remove the speaker, so that's not a big deal, and put them on after when you want to go leisure. I personally love speakers on the EUC. I think it's like a moving boom box. You listen to music, really cool, especially with the lights moving at the same time. It's a really nice feature. For me, I wouldn't touch it, but you know, to each their own, of course. I like the handle's nice. I like this touch of the carbon fiber look. It feels really good too. Trolley, the orange button here. Trolley's easy to operate. It's not too bad. It's obviously it's a really nice, easy height to move around. You don't have to slouch down too much. I mean, this wheel's pretty much down on the ground. I know it's on the stand here, but it's pretty much on the ground, right? So this is the height of the EUC. They got really nice pedals too, massive pedals, so plenty of real estate for your feet, with little spikes on it. And these pedals are also, you got screws here, are also adjustable, so if you want it higher or lower. I believe there are 3 positions here. Let's talk about some specs. So it has a 5,000 watt motor, that's nominal power, and with a peak power output of 12,000 watts. This wheel has a top speed, idle speed of 120 kilometers, free spin for an average 180 pound rider like myself. That's gonna equal to about 85, 90 kilometers per hour in top speed. So the battery over here is 2664 watt hour, and an average rider such as myself at 180 pounds doing average speeds of about 50 kilometers an hour, you could expect about 70 kilometers, about half of the claimed range of 150, pretty much, which makes sense because you're doing double the speed. So the suspension offers 25 levels of damping adjustments, provides a fine adjustment range, as I mentioned as well, adjustable pedal height, and you can angle it as well to different degrees. Shows here 8 to 14 degrees. It's an IPX6. They have a track your unicycle with Apple Find My network. That's probably located within the app, maybe not, I'm not sure, I have to read up on that. And of course the famous KingSong app, they have great connectivity through Bluetooth that you could check all the stats of your unicycle. You could lock it, see your remaining mileage, battery level, do firmware updates, see your battery info, see each individual cell, how healthy they are, your vehicle status, control lights and more. It says 30 watt, 2 color lighting, so you have yellow lights or white lights. Yeah, they say they supported tire sizes on this wheel is 2.75 14 or 3.0 14, or another option is 90-100 14. Overall, I think it's a very beautifully designed wheel, and with great features and something to look for. Again, it's available on epiccycles.ca. Hope I covered everything, all the specs anyways, and showed you kind of your first glimpse on it. If you have any questions, comments, comment below. Thank you for watching.